Imagine cruising down a quiet country road in a vehicle that looks like it rolled straight out of a classic postcard from the past, yet hides futuristic technology beneath its charming vintage design. Today, we're taking a look at this stunning 2027 vintage electric camper tricycle tiny home, a one-of-a-kind creation that is turning heads everywhere it goes. At first glance, you might think this is an antique camper lovingly restored from another era. The rounded body lines, classic styling, warm colors, and handcrafted details instantly create a feeling of nostalgia. But don't let its vintage appearance fool you. This tiny home on wheels is powered by a modern electric drivetrain, combining timeless beauty with eco-friendly innovation. The front of the camper features a unique tricycle setup that gives it an unmistakable personality. It's compact enough to navigate narrow roads and scenic pathways while still offering enough space to create a comfortable living experience. Everywhere it travels, people stop, stare, and wonder what exactly they're looking at. As you move closer, the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. Every detail feels intentional, from the elegant exterior trim to the carefully designed windows. This camper has a character that many modern RVs simply can't match. It feels more like a moving piece of art than a vehicle. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Despite its compact footprint, the interior is surprisingly spacious. Clever design choices make every inch count. Natural wood finishes create a warm and cozy atmosphere that instantly feels like home. Large windows allow sunlight to flood the living area, making the space feel bright and welcoming throughout the day. The seating area is designed for both relaxation and practicality. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee while overlooking a mountain landscape or reading a book during a rainy afternoon, this tiny home provides the perfect retreat from the outside world. The compact kitchenette offers everything needed for life on the road. Small but functional appliances, smart storage solutions, and efficient layouts make daily living surprisingly convenient. It's proof that you don't need a massive RV to enjoy modern comforts. And then there's the sleeping area. Carefully integrated into the design, it transforms this charming camper into a fully functional home. Imagine falling asleep beneath the stars in a peaceful forest or waking up beside a beautiful lakeside view. Experiences like these are exactly why tiny home travel has become so popular. What makes this camper even more impressive is its electric power system. As more travelers seek sustainable ways to explore the world, vehicles like this represent an exciting glimpse into the future. Quiet operation, lower emissions, and reduced fuel costs make electric camping more appealing than ever before. Yet perhaps the most remarkable feature isn't the technology or even the design. It's the freedom this camper represents. No mortgage, no rent, no giant vehicle to maneuver. Just a beautiful little home that can take you almost anywhere your sense of adventure leads. Whether parked beside the ocean, tucked away in a forest, or exploring charming countryside villages, this vintage electric camper tricycle transforms every destination into a unique experience. It's not just transportation. It's a lifestyle, a statement, a reminder that sometimes the most memorable journeys come in the smallest packages. As tiny homes continue to evolve and electric mobility becomes more popular, creations like this stunning 2027 vintage electric camper tricycle show what's possible when creativity meets innovation. The result is a tiny home that captures the romance of the past while embracing the possibilities of the future. So, would you trade a traditional house for this incredible electric camper tiny home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love unique campers, futuristic RVs, and amazing tiny homes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible adventures on wheels.